Here we are in the rainforest, and the Rainforest Adventure canopy thing, and it's funny because it's raining in the rainforest. Where are we, Britt?
Somewhere in El Valle.
We're in El Valle in the rainforest. Don't you think it's
jungle?
It's the jungle. That it's raining.
We're sloth. We're looking for sloth.
Yeah, they're on a quest for sloths. Myself, I'm on a quest for an empanada.
Where is that?
I'm talking to our audience on Facebook.
Well, where are the empanadas?
Oh, Quesos Milli, just past Gorgona.
No?
No, we have to go to a bakery for this. It's a bakery. Oh my God, this thing is rickety. There's a river. It's very pretty out here. Sure, we can do that too. I'm going to stop this because it's a little rickety bridge, I'll tell you. Yeah, we can go to somewhere. Hey, Bill. You're on tape. Hey! It's a toad sloth. Hey!
Toad sloth.
It's a three-toed. Wait, are we off the track, Britt?
Yeah.
You are officially off track. Crazy white man. And there's your wife in the canopy.
What? Still looking for a sloth.
Oh, yeah.
What?
You haven't seen one yet?
What do you want, honey?
I want to see a sloth and a monkey.
I've seen them down when we were going.
I know where the monkeys are. I don't know where the sloths are. Say hi, Nolette.
Hi.
Hi.
We're raining in the rainforest.
Jack, say hi.
What's this one? Yeah. Where do we go?
I guess we can go lots of different ways.
We're just gonna take a picture.
I like where my friend went because it looked cool.
I'm gonna take a picture here. Let me take a picture of him. Hold on, let me zoom.
Bye.